Hey, this is Scott from Cedar Workshop, and today's project is this little skeg here. It sits just like this, and it's been ripped up here. This little runner part, this is the part that hits the ground, so you don't get rocks and stuff that go inside the part in the snowblower. So what I'm going to do is I'm going to repair this part here, but instead I'm going to see if I can fashion something like this out of a piece of aluminum. So let's go to the workshop. This is what we're going to use. This is a piece of aluminum. It's from old CB radio. This is like the back part, and this is the side. I just bent it because I was going to just take it to the scrapper and throw it out, but I'm looking at this piece like right here or right here. I think I can probably cut it and fashion it something like that. So I'm gonna get my angle grinder out and cut this piece off and see what I can make. Okay, it's the next day and the paint has dried. I secured this back on, bent this little part up here so it doesn't get caught up. So now it's all ready on the snow blower, and I'm gonna go up this weekend and give it a go.